Granville Crest located at Catalunan Pequeño, Davao City. Rafael unit features are, its lot area size is 50 square meters, while floor area size at least 32.53 square meters, with 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Its fixtures are, with light and electricity connections included, with water tank, concrete fence and pedestrian gate, tile flooring, concrete flooring on the laundry area, and modified clothes hanger on dry area. Subdivision amenities are, it has Grandville Grand entrance with landmark, guardhouse with 24 hours CCTV, pavilion or clubhouse, parks and playground, pond and gazebo, adult swimming pool, kiddie pool with cabana, basketball court and tennis court. Subdivision features are, concrete roads with curves and gutter, concrete perimeter fence, underground drainage system, water supply by DCWD, wide roads with planting strips. For site viewing and computations, contact 09053525784 or look Patrick Sarongan.